The next session under B2B is hotel availability checking. Once the travel agent prepare the quotation, so at the same time he can send a request of hotel availability to the tour operators or the DMC companies. So he will just click on this check availability. The request will send to the tour operators in their email ID as well as in the system. So here you can see this hotel availability request we have received. Now the tour operator can send this request to the hotel suppliers. So supplier can review the availability and inform in the system. So let's see, once you click on this, the hotel will receive an email, hotel availability check request. So there is a hotel name, check-in date, check-out date, room categories and number of guests. So the hotel can click on check availability and give the remark whether it is available or not available. Then hotel confirmation number if it is available, updated by, note if any, and sent. This response will receive into the system itself, and this response we can directly send to the travel agent. Travel agent will receive the email, the hotel is available. He can come to the portal, then click on proceed to check out. In this section, travel agent need to enter the guest details like first name, email ID, country code, contact details, special note if any, and the guest details like first name, last name of booking the tours. So there are two options. Either the travel agent can proceed with the credit amount which is provided by the tour operators, or he can proceed for the payment. So for the now we'll just click on proceed to credit. On booking confirmations, the travel agent will receive the notifications via email, the confirmation via email, as well as he can download the vouchers from their end. So let's see. So the travel agent can log in from these sections. Booking summary. He can see the quotation summary details. He can download the PDF from here and share with the customers, and booking summary details. Also you can see the ledger details. The most important is if the payment is done, the service voucher will be generated into these sections. So the travel agent can download and share with his customers. So there's a date filtrations, his profile details, account ledger details, and the travel agent can log out from these sections. Here you can see the travel agent credit limit also reduced from the main amount.